This is my homemade pickup tube for my diesel heater. All it is, instead of this leaks. That fitting leaks. I tighten it, it leaks again, and you gotta fill it up. With this, all I do is take that to the fuel station, fill it up there, bring it home, and stick my pickup tube in it. I have this rag over it just to keep the fumes down. All it is brake line, metal brake line tubing, right to the bottom of the container. Just a regular cut off, nothing special. Sucks it from the bottom. Connected through these flexible fittings that you can get for these diesel heaters. And this is the fuel filter sitting on the top of that flexible line that comes with the cheap stuff. Comes with the diesel heater. It's flexible, makes it easy to just move over here when I need to change it out. And that goes up to the fuel pump. From the fuel pump, we've got this hard line that you can get separately with it if you don't already have it. And that runs all the way up to the diesel heater. I mounted mine up here. Let's get it out of the way. This is an impact pump. Flexible line is the suction part. Doesn't matter too much. It's just like a straw. The hard line is the better tubing after the pump to push the fuel into the heater. A lot more convenient than filling that up all the time. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.